Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. Today I'm here to inform you all that we have successfully crossed the mark of 1 lakh views on Tech Sharmit channel. On this achievement of 100k views, we would like to thank each and every viewer of Tech Sharmit because you all are the one who have been there with us throughout this technical journey. In order to express our gratitude and to celebrate this wonderful milestone, we have decided to launch a new playlist based on one of the most popular programming language, Python. To give a good kickstart to this playlist, we have decided to release and hand over initial 100 session just within a 5 days. So starting from today itself, every hour we will release a new session for Python until we reach 100 sessions, which will include 50 session for Hindi playlist and 50 session for English playlist of Python. Other than this, we would like to assure you that we will keep sharing the other content in the same manner, so there would not be any impact of new playlist on our other content. From here, we are looking forward to provide you more technical session which will help us to enhance our programming skills.